In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove taxes from Shopify in 2025, providing you with a full, comprehensive guide to make the process as seamless as possible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a complete understanding of how to adjust these settings for your Shopify store. Let's dive right in to ensure you're fully equipped to manage your store's tax settings efficiently. First, you need to navigate to the right area of your Shopify dashboard. You'll start by heading over to the Settings section. This is where all the customization options for your store are located, making it an essential hub for managing various aspects of your online business. Once you're in the settings, you'll want to find the Taxes and Duties section. This is your go-to spot for all things related to taxes within Shopify. Inside the Taxes and Duties section, you're going to look for something called Global Settings. This part of the Shopify dashboard is crucial for determining how taxes are applied across your store. Once you've located global settings, you'll notice that there are boxes that are ticked by default. These boxes control whether Shopify automatically calculates taxes for your transactions based on your customers' locations and your store's settings. The key step here is to untick these boxes. By doing so, you are instructing Shopify not to automatically add taxes to your products during the checkout process. This setting might be particularly useful for store owners who either don't need to charge taxes or have alternative ways of handling them outside the Shopify platform. Once you've unticked the necessary boxes, the important part is to remember to save your changes. This step is crucial as it's the one that ensures all your adjustments are correctly applied across your store. Forgetting to save means any changes you've made could be lost, so make sure to hit that save button before you exit. Now, as you go through this process, keep in mind that removing the automatic tax calculation might not be suitable for every store. It's important to be aware of the tax obligations specific to your online business and your geographic location. If you're unsure about whether you should be charging taxes, it might be helpful to consult a tax professional or an accountant to ensure you're compliant with local and international laws. And there you have it, a straightforward way to remove taxes from your Shopify store. By following these steps, you can customize how taxes are handled, giving you more control over the financial aspects of your store's operation. Whether you're looking to simplify your checkout experience or manage taxes differently, these settings give you the flexibility you may need. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials on optimizing your Shopify experience.